We'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe.
Hey guys,
वेलकम जय जगन्नाथ
because मम्मी को like ठंडी लगती है, so मम्मी and Dugu are sitting back. They'll sleep there.
and I'll tell it we are going to Kurg.
So it's like one holiday. So right now it's around 238 kilometers currently जो हमें reach करना है, and then we'll have breakfast also on the way off the road. We didn't have it because early निकलना था. So let's go and see where we stopped at for breakfast. न्यू ईयर के लिए होगा.
जय बजरंगबली डुगू जय बजरंगबली
बजरंगबली. So 7:38 हुए हैं and we are down at like 1.5 hour down है, मतलब क्रॉस कर चुके हैं. So we are on मैसूर नाइस रोड ही है ना? नहीं,
मैसूर रोड बेंगलोर मैसूर.
अच्छा, बैंगलोर मैसूर हाईवे पे चल रहे हैं. So इन लोगों का तो they got a very good spot. बट बैंगलोर में आओगे और मैसूर रोड में अगर बारिश मिल गई तो या फिर इट कुड बी ट्रबल या फिर इट वुड बी अ वेरी सीनिक ड्राइविंग. हम तो एक बार आए थे जो बारिश हुई थी. वी हैड टू स्टॉप द कार अंडर अ ब्रिज. बहुत बारिश हुई थी, मतलब इतनी बारिश हुई थी वी कुडंट मूव ऑन. ऐसा लग रहा था हेल स्टॉर्म आ रहा है ऊपर, साउंड के वजह. सो बारिश होती है तो बैंगलोर बिकम्स वेरी नाइस, but घूमना becomes very difficult also.
Sun by the way, clouds come to play, rain starts to fall, let's give it all, splash in the street, puddles at our feet, laughing out loud, no need for a cry, dancing in the rain, but breaking the chain.
So क्या कर रहे हो तुम इधर सोते सोते? चलो चलो. चलो प्लेनू डोसा खाओ. स्लो ईटर.
Finished our lunch. Now we are going to the car. Mama, what's the meaning of wristwatch?
ये सोया नहीं है.
Mama, what's the meaning of wristwatch?
अरे आना इधर आउट किया था.
रिस्ट बैंड.
नॉट रूम.
Watch will I just बोलो.
I don't know what is the bond. Legitly, ये song is so famous. आप पत्ते ये आप पोछे बना चुके हैं. Even he doesn't know.
14 किलोमीटर रही.
कहाँ घूमोगे मैसूर में?
आयो.
आयो आयो डुगडू आयो करके तो ढूंढ दिया
अपचे क्या सो गए तुम?
I don't like this.
बेलू खींचे बेलू
खींचो खींचो
खींचे बेलू
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you want me like I need you now? Like you're crazy, everybody of you is with me. We are the
आप पचे
आप बच्चे नहीं है, आप बच्चे
सेवुकी को ना आ पचा पचे
पूरा बारबेक्यू कर दिया सॉन्ग
आ पचा पचे नहीं पचे नहीं आ पचे पचे
डुगु क्या कर रहे हो?
से पचे कर दी
हेलो I'm singing like girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. You may be crazy, don't mind me. Sing we let the story begin. We're going out.
इरे हाँ हमें बाइला को बाज आई थे भाई उडू को टिकी आई थे
और होटल भी तो उधर ही है.
In 600 meters, turn right onto National Highway.
मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा कि इतना सा चुंगड़ू सा हाथ है, तुम्हें ऐसे बुला रहे हो, नहीं पता चलेगा कि तुम्हारा हाथ है. हाँ अच्छा ये यहाँ दिख रहा है सब. क्या कर रहे थे लोगों?
क्या? Red, you look front. You look front.
अभी हम
बाइला को बेटा
गोल्डन टेम्पल जा रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक 12 मिनट्स दिखा रहा है. सो वी विल बी
टेक्निकली हमें सर ना कुरकुरे
मुझे जो आज नींद आई है आगे पैसेंजर सीट में बैठ के हो. 3 बार टोका गया है मुझे उठने के लिए, लेकिन सीनरी बहुत अच्छा है. So here we finally are getting into the zone of reaching to Balakopa Golden Temple, and I feel absolutely excited seeing this Tibetan flags of a whatnot color of all the primary colors you can see, filled with Tibetan scriptures, and this is where the joy starts. You start seeing these flags, and I don't know about excitement, but you feel a inner peace also. It's very calm there. You will get the smell of that incense that they use in the Golden Temple. It's amazing. And here you can see beautiful structures of monastery filled with golden, the blues, especially the reds there. And I won't say it's just the artistic miracle that you can see. Now these are ever burning lamps there that pose as the purity and light of wisdom basically. And these are encased in glass so they can protect them, so they leave it burning all throughout the day. And here comes the main temple, and these are the 4 kind of Buddhas that you can see here. One is Sakhyamukhi Buddha, which is the historical Buddha, and there is Amitayus, which is the Buddha of infinite life, and there is Vajra Sattva, the embodiment of the mind of Buddha. Everyone is the same. It's just that they are represented in many different forms. They are worshipped in many different forms. Even you can see the all throughout the walls, I would say. There are great paintings. Okay. It shows the artistic soul from Tibet. You start like watching each of the wall. It represents a story in the Buddha's life. I didn't have that much time, but whatever picture I started looking, I'm like, okay, something is there. It's So ये है अभी हम in the temple of Golden Temple Monastery. So yeah. So let's head and visit the campus of the Golden Temple. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे दिख रही हैं. I don't know which one is allowed or not. ये तो इनका main temple था which we visited.
This is so heavy.
Really wonderful. And after that, you can really visit the campus. This is like another shrine, I would say. Each and every shrine has a different kind of what I can say bodhisattva. There is Tara, which is female bodhisattva, and Guru Padma Bhasa. I guess I don't get that wrong. And here, oh my God, you don't realize how much wonderful this was. It was painting. It was painting done by hand. I don't get me started on the details that are there. Have you seen the color of blue, the color of red, the color of golden? They have done the outlining with golden. So there are different temples in Namjoling Monastery. Small, different kind of structure dedicated for different things. Like there was this structure of temple where the statues were there. I guess I don't know for this one. I'll research and definitely tell you in the video itself. आजा डुगू. So this was our Golden Monastery, and we visited at least 4-5 temples in there. It was so we visited. So yeah, there were different kind of God's temple. I'll tell you the name in the video later because I don't remember at all.
Bye.
And
Bye.
bye.
ରାଗ ପାଇଁ
खा मिर्ची नहीं है. खाओ. चलो, स्मेल भी अच्छा आ रहा है. बाइट लो. मेरा उसका हो गया, मेरा हो गया. So we decided to have our food in Namjuling Cafe since it was already late lunch time for us already. And people who are making the food there are the monks that are working in the Golden Temple. So the food, what you will eat there is very, very authentic to the core. There are the few of dishes that you won't understand because it's from their place, and such of the food I would find is like cold noodles, and there is something called some wrapped momos. They looked like momos, but of course it was something different. And there are many unique dishes that if you want to try that, it's really good option there.
Hello. Now we did lunch, but now it's almost ready to get rain. Look,
क्योंकि हवा तो आएगा उधर ऊपर वाले में है, so
it's about to gonna get rain. So better we should go to the car. चल रहे.
So this is the compound ground. Oh, बारिश हो रही है. Compound ground जहाँ पे you would find lot of souvenirs. हमने भी शॉपिंग की है. अभी पूरा बारिश था, स्काई कुछ नहीं था. अब देखो स्काई क्या बढ़िया बढ़िया दिख रहा है, एकदम क्लाउड बीच बीच में होके
बढ़िया हो गया है, बढ़िया.
स्केची स्नैपी जो भी बोलते हैं दिख रहा है. हाँ. So we have reached to Hirangi Reservoir to watch the Hirangi Ram. So we have bought a chhata because rain is very imminent right now. और rain हुआ भी था वहाँ पे when we were getting out from the Golden Temple. So you know, be prepared.
बाप रे, डैम देख सकते हैं.
पानी नहीं है, जब पानी छोड़ते होंगे ना ये सुंदर दिखता
तो देख सकते हैं. हाँ, पानी नहीं छोड़ रहा है ना, वो बोल रहा है वीडियो में बोला था मानसून में छोड़ता है. इतना ही देख पाओगे. रुको
Guys, I'll zoom it.
That's it.
Look that dam. They are not letting any water because they told they will leave that water at only at monsoon.
Hirangi Dams. There are the 4 gates of Hirangi Dams, but यहाँ पे gates बंद हैं. These are the closed.
I don't understand why in our channel always when we go everything is shuttered. Nothing we get to see.
वो depend करता है. There is no मौसम for it, no season, so ये है.
If there was
But
water, everything
still,
can-
if you quietly hear it, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can still hear the sound of the water from the other side.
So it's making sound. Heavy flows are coming, touching the barrier, making sound like this.
ये अभी शू चेंज चल रहा है क्योंकि कुछ ज़्यादा ही ट्रैकिंग हो गई. सो हाफ शू, फैंसी शू, क्रॉक्स में नहीं चलेगा. सो शूज़ चेंजिंग चल रहा है. वी हैव अराइव्ड एट द हिरांगी एलिफेंट कैंप.
अभी जिधर जा रहे हैं उधर हमको पानी दिख सकता है पीछे ऑफ द डैम, बैक साइड ऑफ द डैम जो पानी है वो दिख सकता है. So let's go in an adventure.
अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्रैकिंग हो रहा है ये हमसे. लिखा होता है पास में है 1 किलोमीटर दूर. ठीक है ना. रोड भी ऐसे ट्रैकिंग रोड नहीं है. ये कौन से रोड में हम चल रहे हैं पता नहीं, बट हम फुली सही जगह पे वील रीच.
ए देखिगी
हाँ
तळो कोन नहीं
ऊपर
बड़ा बड़ा मोड़ जाबो देखिगी
सो सब लाइन में हैं अभी
ए डुबो
मम्मी बाहर है बहुत कसरत की है इसके लिए ठीक है ना पता नहीं था कि ये मिलेंगे कि भी नहीं मिलेंगे यू नो उस डिलेमा में थे चढ़ते हुए बट लुक हाउ मैजेस्टिक दे लुक भाई डुगू के सामने तो डुगू तो पिद्दी सा है एकदम ओहो वो डक्स वो चिकन है कि डक्स ग्रैंड मदर है
Now they are like washing their lips. Yes, look that way. वो क्या कर रहे हैं?
ओलो हम बसिला बा उड़ा 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 उड़ा
नहीं खुजली कर रहा है
खुजली
खुजली कर रहा है
नीचे नीचे बोल ए गला मैं ओका नीचे
सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा होगा पता नहीं
Guys, now I'll show you. I'll go to the tree trunk. Now wait, I'll show you. There is some stairs. You have to cross. A view of this. It's a beautiful view. This is a big lake. I don't know if it's a lake or not. It is very, very big.
we are done with the wildlife sanctuary. I won't say wildlife sanctuary, what it is, elephant camp. Hirangi elephant camp that we came up and we visited it. Awesome place. Rather than going to Hirangi Dam Reservoir, you should come here. And if it's not, the gates are not open, so yeah, if you should come here and do not visit that. But if the gates are open, of course, it's a majestic view to see the gates being opened. And here you can, they have many elephants. We thought they are 1 and 2 because when we entered they were the only ones that we could see. But later their bathing time starts around like 4, so we reached around that time only exactly. So at that time they all came one by one to take bath and stand in there. Like horses have pens. What do elephants have? Elephants do not have anything. They are not a pet animal. So I don't know what to call it. A stall? Yeah, basically they're stall for people to feed them, to pet them, and to get like, a trunk blessing on the head. You can pay a fee of like 50, I guess. 50 for food, I know, but I don't know for the head part and petting how much is there. So that is there. And now I'm climbing the 1 kilometer that we climbed up. Although it's easier, but the road is not any more easier to get down. वहाँ पे you could very beautiful sunset view where you can sit down and see the sun, getting hidden behind the mountains basically. But वो हम नहीं देख पाए because it's a bit cloudy today. तो वो देखना भी impossible था. And we know at one point through the holes of the clouds we could see it shining on the backwaters का surface. But afterwards it went behind the clouds and you can see it no more. So वहाँ पे we sat. बारिश भी हुई थोड़ी सी बीच में. We ran back to a covered viewing place. So there we sat, we chatted. There's a children's playing area where Dugu went and had fun. And then afterwards, having all the fun, there are many activities: speedboat, rowboat, and that bubble jumping with the help of a rowboat. Everything is there. It's just nice place, but not developed, I guess. They are still making the tracks for the jeep, I guess, to go up, because being 1 kilometer, it's not a trekking journey to an elephant camp. So yeah, that's under development. Almost forgot. So yeah, I became too pale, I guess. Yeah, whatever. So let's get to the car and head to the hotel, because hotel book हुआ अब से, and we are reaching just around having snacks time. We are reaching to the hotel. So anyways, let's head down. अभी भी 1 किलोमीटर ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, और भी ट्रैक डाउन करना है. चलो, I'll continue doing it. Bye. जस्ट सनसेट होगा, येलो येलो दिख रहा है. अच्छा, ले लेंगे एक्सचेंज.
नहीं पियोगे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ. मीठा नहीं
ये वाला हो सकता है मीठा, क्या पता।
ने डुगो पानी
ये
पी,
तो रोज का चल रहा है पीछे,
ग्लूकोज मिलता है।
पीते ही नहीं है।
नहीं
चलो पी के देखते हैं।
जल्दी पी।
अच्छा फोन ले लिया क्या उसका?
फोन नब्बे से ये रखो।
हो गया 15 सिप्स।
होटल जाने नहीं
लो
तो भाई उन्हें
ना मलाई कब से मैं खाना।
ये तो मलाई इंडिया
उसमें तो क्यों होगा, मना किया ना आपने। जबरदस्ती पिलाया।
I got fun.
मलाई बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, मलाई एकदम एंजॉय हो रहा है यहाँ पे पीछे।
टेस्टी।
टेस्टी टेस्टी।
Let's check out the. This is
मोर तो भाई बढ़िया सिंगल बेड
पापा का सिंगल बेड पर।
उधर
ए पैर हाथ धो।
This is so good.
अच्छा इधर बिस्किट
उधर पानी है,
किधर पे पानी है
उधर।
तेरा कौन मारना बात तुम कौन
हमें पता ही नहीं था कि बालकनी है यहाँ पे। उधर पानी है, इसके पीछे रिवर है।
रिवर नहीं मतलब वो लेक पे।
हाँ ऐसे इनविजिबल डोर बनाया है एकदम।
हाँ
डोर बंद करो, ठंडा लग रहा है। तुम्हारा बाल क्या हो रखा है, क्या है तुम्हारा? हर चीज में हूँ,
तेरे भाई ये सेम है मसाला
सब सेम है। बस रोटी चबा लो। ये दैट्स नॉट ऑयल, दैट्स बटर, खा लो। सो फाइनली दिन की एंडिंग हम करते हैं इस खाने के साथ। मिलेंगे फिर नेक्स्ट खाने में। चलो बाय 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 बाय।
Bye. See you in the next episode.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost